This segment is sponsored by the Ohio State Veterinary Medical Center.
The OSU Veterinary Medical Center at Dublin meets the needs of many sick cats, dogs in the Dublin area and throughout Central Ohio. But their needs also can be met in a different way. We're going to find out about urgent care services. Here we have Jo Fleming. She is the practice manager. Good to see you, Jo.
Thanks for having us.
Let's explain what you do primarily here and how urgent care has now come into play.
All right, so Monday through Friday, we run a full-service orthopedic service through here. So we see a lot of dogs with limping and orthopedic problems, perform surgeries. We also have ophthalmology out of here 2 days a week. But at 4 o'clock in the evening through 11 p.m. at night, and then Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays, we now have a veterinary urgent care service. So we will see patients that are sick and need to see a veterinarian, but perhaps the regular doctor's not open right now. So these are for urgent but not emergent cases.
Okay, give us a description. What would that be for people at home?
Sure, we see a lot of vomiting and diarrhea, ear infection, skin problems, limping, eye problems, anything that you would take your dog or cat to their regular doctor for if they were open is a great opportunity to come to urgent care. If it's truly emergent, and I tell people to think about it in the way of human medicine, if you were to take your child to an emergency room instead of an urgent care, probably the same premise for your pet.
So Jo, how are they handling things here in the times of COVID?
So we're allowing clients to come in for a short period of time to give us the main history on their pet, since their pet can't speak. But from that point forward, we will send them out to their vehicles. Everybody within the property has to be masked while here, but for the most part, we're doing a modified curbside.
And what are the hours going to be?
4 p.m. to 11 p.m. Monday through Friday.
Okay.
11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Saturdays, Sundays, and holidays.
I bet people are very happy to have you here.
They have been. We've experienced a lot of very grateful clients since we've opened.
Well, I know we're going to take a little tour, talk to one of the doctors who's going to show us how orthopedics are taken care of here so readily all the time. I've had that experience here with my dog, so I know. But it's a great service OSU is providing, and we've only just scratched the surface, so let's go take a tour.
We see animals with all kinds of orthopedic issues, really anything you can think of. Probably the most common reason we would see a dog is for a cranial cruciate tear, which is the same thing as an ACL tear in a human. Very common injury, very common that we'll do surgery to address that. But we also see animals with elbow arthritis, elbow dysplasia, hip arthritis, hip dysplasia. We see tendon disorders, muscle disorders. We see dogs that have broken bones, fractures that come in needing to be fixed. So really any orthopedic condition we can see here. We can do almost all orthopedic surgery here. We can do advanced imaging. We have a CT scanner and can do CT scans when needed. We have all of the available orthopedic equipment here. We can do anesthesia here, our x-rays here. Really anything we can do on our campus location, we can do here. There are 4 orthopedic surgeons that rotate through here. All of us spend time here or at main campus, just depending on the schedule. We're all affiliated with OSU and our faculty in the orthopedic service. And then our residents that are training in surgery rotate through here as well with us.
As you can see, so much here to offer in the neighborhood of Dublin, but close enough to you too. Where can people get a hold of you?
They can just call our main number at 614-889-8070.
And it's OSU's Veterinary Medical Center in Dublin.
That's a good dog. Yeah.